Hello students, our topic is preposition, and as we all know that preposition is a very important part of English grammar, and when we use preposition in sentence, the sense of preposition is very important, and for known about the sense of preposition, practice is very important part. So here we first of all try to understand the meaning of preposition. The preposition is a word which is connect the noun and pronoun to other words. So here first of all we taking a example. For example, the book is on the table. So here where is the book? The book is on the table. So book and table both are noun, and on is a preposition, and the on preposition connect the both noun. So the preposition used in sentence to connect the noun and pronoun to other words. And as you know that we have to very careful about the use of preposition. So first of all we taking the preposition against, and how we use the against preposition in sentence. So before everything we know that meaning of against. Its meaning is opposing or disagreeing. When we against something and opposite something, we use the preposition against. When we feeling something opposite, when we feel something disagreeable, then we use the preposition in a sentence. We must fight against terrorism. Here is the our first example that we must fight against the terrorism. What is terrorism? Terrorism is a kind of problem that is faced by our India and other countries, and we have to fight against it. Against here giving the meaning of opposition and disagreeing, because we doesn't accept the terrorism. We all want to fight against the terrorism. So here the meaning is opposition or disagreeable. And here we comes on our second example. Here our second example is one should not go against law. One should not go against law. What is law? Law is very important part of our life and also our society. We can't live without law. Our community, our society, both are depends at the law. And the second meaning is against is very close. He was learning against the table. Then try to understand the meaning of the sentence. He was learning against the table. Then where is the table? It's a table. For example, it's a table, and the student is learning here, and he's sitting on a chair. So where is the chair? Chair is very close to the table, not at on the table. So the student is not on the table. When we use the sentence on, the preposition on in this sentence, the meaning is very opposite to the against. It's mean that the student is sitting on the table and he is studying on it. And the second thing, when we use in preposition, it was also wrong. So then when we use under preposition, it's mean that the student is studying under the table. So we use here the against preposition. How we use the against preposition? Because the chair is near the table. It does not at the table. So it is very close to the table, so we use here against preposition. And our second example is the ladder was placed against the wall. Where is the ladder? The ladder is against the wall. For example, it's a wall and the ladder stable here. This is the position of ladder. This is the position of ladder. So it is very near to the wall, not very close to the. It is very near but not very close. So here we use the ladder was placed against the wall. And